The Waterfall. The waterfall is coming. It is coming in power. It is coming in might. It comes like the white horse galloping through the clouds. The Son of Man comes in all his glory. He comes in might and power. He comes to save his creation. Look, here he comes. Look beyond the horizon. Look beyond the hills and the mountains. The waterfall is gaining momentum. It comes breaking through the barriers, knocking the spirit of religion off its throne. Let it come, this waterfall, this powerful, mighty horse, this beautiful Messiah. The waterfall falls, crashing over the rocks, colours of every hue, washing over every stone, washing over every rock and pebble. This waterfall comes bearing gifts, gifts of every shape and size, gifts of such diversity, gifts of intimacy.